Before I start this video, I would like to welcome 2 new members to the YouTube membership, Isaac and Mick. Welcome guys, thank you for your support. I appreciate it and I hope you guys get some fulfillment out of it. I will be posting some videos very soon and hopefully you'll get to see some of the different parts of what I do outside of YouTube. Cheers guys, thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Pierre. This is Simple Homebrew and I'm doing the Fat Yak style beer tasting. I'm hoping it comes up good. Basically, it's been sitting in my keg for about a month now, and at first it tasted a bit off tasting. I use pretty clean water and I make sure everything's right when I do stuff, and I boil everything and clean everything, but I thought there's something wrong with this. Then I remembered it's a Morgan's kit, and the Morgan's kits have these weird flavours in them that seem to disappear over time, so you age your beer a bit and they seem to clear up, and this is exactly what happened. So what I've got is my Fat Yak Ale, basically. It smells exceptionally clean, very nice. It's a little bit cloudy, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell in that video there. On the monitor, I'm looking at the monitor now, it does actually look darker than it is in real life. So if I put a light behind it, let's say, I don't know if you can tell, it's a bit brighter. Turn that light off, would that make a difference? No. Oh yeah, that kind of looks like it now. That's the colouring. So put a light on. Yeah, you can see it come out brighter now with a lot brighter light. So that's it. That's the gist of it. It smells fruity, like a Fat Yak. It smells clean, like I said before. Not. Hang on. Soapy hands. Sorry. I'm smelling soap and I'm thinking, why am I smelling soap? I just realised I've washed all my hands. Anyway, I've been cleaning up in the shed here, so I'm trying to do some different things and yeah, make sure it's right and ready to go. Now I brewed this about a month ago, and here's the video link for it. It was very good to brew. It was very interesting. It fermented fairly quickly. It took about a week. The percentage went to 4.3%, I believe, and I was really worried it wasn't going to turn out very well. So I left it in the keg in my fridge, just aging. I didn't add any more carbonation than I already had, and I thought we'll give it a go today and see what we think. Like I said, fruity smell, got a wheaty smell to it. I'm salivating because I'm ready for it. It smells good. It smells really good. It is carbonated, not badly. It's really nice. I've got a definite fruity flavour, a bit of citrusy or more like melony. Definitely can taste the extract flavouring that you get in them, but it's quite nice. It's really not a problem at all. Like I said, it's carbonated. Probably could be carbonated just a smidge more, but it's good enough for my liking. This is tasty. It's very sessionable. Something you can just sit back and drink. I think people would like this if they sat down and drank it. It's not too bad at all. It doesn't taste like the Fat Yak I remember. I can say that if I compared it with the original one, the original one would probably be a bit lighter in colour, and the hops would be more dominant in the original one. It's not dominantly hoppy anyway, so it's pretty easy going. It smells just like beer. I've said this before. I remember my time as a kid selling newspapers in Mornington. I used to walk around going, Herald! As a kid. Herald! You know, even though my voice is high anyway. It just reminds me, that smell reminds me of going into all the pubs and selling the Herald to all the patrons there. And it was quite an interesting job. And I did get some good tips while I was there. Pity I was a kid that just grew up on the streets, basically. So I didn't learn work ethic until I got older. But that's just life in general. So, on that, this is a great beer, and I recommend doing it, guys. Do it as much as you want, and it's very enjoyable. It's going to be one of those beers that's going to sit in my keg for maybe a month, maybe 2, and it'll probably be polished off fairly quickly. Oh, big mouthful. Yeah. Sweetness, I forgot to tell you. It hasn't got a great deal of sweetness. It's kind of dryish, and it feels really good on the tongue as it goes down. Really nice beer. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being part of this channel, and thank you to my Patreon members for looking after this channel and giving me the options of being able to buy any kind of brew to be able to brew for you guys. Also, thank you to my YouTube members. Guys, it's the same. I can't do this without your financial support. You've been great. Thank you. And for everybody else who watches this channel, thanks for the thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers! So thank you guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being part of the channel, thank you to the patrons for watching and learning, and look at that wrong. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being part, So thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for being part of this channel, thank you to my subscribers for subscribing, I did it wrong again. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, thanks to my Patreon members for and making it, and able making it. I can't speak properly. I can't speak properly. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for So thanks guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being part of this channel, and thank you to my Patreon members for looking after this channel and giving me